Hello students, welcome to online audio video lessons, an initiative taken by Set Vidya Mandir English High School affiliated to CBSE. Myself Mridula Karderu, computer teacher for standard 2nd. So children, today we are going to study an very interesting chapter, that is fun with paint. So we are going to study paint today. So isn't it interesting? Yes, so first let us see what is paint. Paint is a fun drawing program. You already know what is paint, you have done in your drawing books, isn't it? Now the same thing we are going to do with the help of computer. So we have a program in our computer where we can draw anything we wish, put any colors we want, isn't it? So it is very enjoying and interesting. So children, usually it is used to draw and color with the help of mouse as well as keyboard. Now question arise, how to start it? So children, here are the steps where we can start the paint program. So first you have to go to start button. So children, whenever you go to your computer, at the bottom, not exactly here, below this you have a start button with a small windows icon. So when you click on that start button, then you go to all programs. So children, when you click on all programs, you get an option called accessories. So click on this accessories and then you can find paint in it. So when you double click on paint, the paint program or the paint screen appears. So this is the general method which we follow. Or sometimes you have when you click on start here, you can directly observe paint here like this. So you can directly open, or if you are not getting this, then you have to go to accessories and then you have to go to paint and double click on it. So when you double click on it, you get a paint window. So children, usually paint window opens with home tab selected. So children, you can see here we have one option here, second one is home and next one is view. So usually when you open the paint window, it will be started with home tab, that is automatically it will be selected by default. So children, here you have, this is called as drawing area. This is called as drawing area and we have various options here. See here children, you can copy paste, you can select, you can change the size, you can rotate the picture you have drawn. We have again various tools, brushes, shapes, size, colors where you can do. So all these things we will be studying in this chapter. So usually the paint window is divided into two main parts. First one is ribbon. It contains the tools you can draw with, and second one is drawing area. It is the area where you draw. So children, I had told you in the last this one here, this is the drawing area and this part completely where you can do many changes to your drawing, this is called as ribbon. So usually it is made up of two parts. Now you know how to open a paint window or paint program. Now let us see how to close it. So children, when you want to close it, so what you have to do, you have to click on this button or click here in your paint window. See here children, you can observe here, you can find this, isn't it? The same thing you have to click it. I have maximized this. So when you click on this one, you get various options like new, open, save, save as, print and so on. Here at the last you get exit. It is already selected in the yellow color. So just click on the exit option given in the list of the menu and the paint window gets closed. Sometimes if you have not saved it, it will give you a dialog box whether we have to save it or not save it. So in such cases what you do, click on save if you want or say don't save. Next, let us see what all tools we can use in the paint. So children, here we have many tools in paint to draw straight as well as curved lines. So the tools are mainly pencil tool, brushes tool and line tool. So first one is pencil tool. So in pencil tool, children, we can draw both straight lines as well as curved lines. So how to draw it, we will see step by step. First one is what we have to do. To draw, go to first home tab, that is here. Go to home tab and in that we have tools. So in this tools you have to select pencil, the one which is highlighted with yellow color. This is the pencil. So children, when you select this pencil, after that what you have to do, you have to select the size of your pencil, whether you want thick or small or whatever is its thickness. Next you have to select the color which you want for the pencil. So children, here it is green, or you can use here brown. So I have used brown color here. I have used brown color here to draw the stem as well as the branches, and green color for the leaves. So children, you can draw any picture or you can select any of the colors you want. Is it clear? So here this is your click on pencil tool. Next click the color one to choose the color. Next one is color 2 for background. Background means this drawing sheet which is in white color, you can change the color of this as well. So for this you have to click on color 2. Next we have to click on size, where we can select the thickness of the line, whether you want thin line or medium or very thick line, based on that. And lastly you can click inside the drawing area and just drag the mouse. So children, how you drag the mouse? The same way the line appears or the shape appears on the drawing area. Is it clear?